Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're ready if your Echo Dot is online and your phone has Bluetooth on. Once done, open the Alexa app and go straight to Devices. Tap Echo Dot, then Bluetooth Devices, and choose Pair a new device. Do this now so Alexa is actively scanning. Make sure YouTube is paused on your phone. That prevents accidental playback while pairing. This first step primes both devices to establish a Bluetooth link for YouTube audio streaming. Once Alexa is scanning, switch to your phone's Bluetooth settings and pick the Echo Dot from the list. Accept any prompts. If codes appear, confirm them. This secures the connection. Make sure permissions for media audio are granted so sound can route to Alexa. After pairing, open YouTube and play a short video. You should hear audio from the Echo Dot. If audio doesn't switch automatically, select the Bluetooth output on your phone and reselect the Echo Dot to force the route. To finish, use Alexa voice commands. Say, "Alexa, connect to my phone" to re-establish a paired link quickly. For ongoing sessions, tell Alexa pair, then choose Echo on your phone when you start YouTube. If you run into trouble, make sure Echo volume and phone volume aren't muted and that Echo isn't connected to another device. Restart the Alexa app, toggle Bluetooth, or remove and repair the Echo Dot. That one troubleshooting move, repairing, resolves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.